Today I go to the supermarket alone. Today I go to the supermarket alone. I wear my favorite white dress. I wear my favorite white dress. My little bag looks cute today. My little bag looks cute today. My little bag looks cute today. The weather is sunny and warm. The weather is sunny and warm. Hi. I feel excited. I feel excited. I walk into the supermarket slowly. I walk into the supermarket slowly. Wow, this supermarket is huge. Wow, this supermarket is huge. The lights are very bright. I take a shopping cart. I take a shopping cart.
The cart makes a funny squeaky sound. The cart makes a funny squeaky sound.
Squeak. 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 I laugh quietly. I laugh quietly. I walk to the fruit section first. I walk to the fruit section first. The apples are shiny and red. The apples are shiny and red. These bananas look fresh. These bananas look fresh. I pick up a box of strawberries. I pick up a box of strawberries. The strawberries smell sweet. The strawberries smell sweet. I put them carefully into my cart. I put them carefully into my cart.
Wow, that watermelon is enormous. Wow, that watermelon is enormous.
I try to lift it. I try to lift it. Oh no, it is too heavy. Oh no, it is too heavy. I almost dropped the watermelon. I almost dropped the watermelon. Be careful, be careful.
Is it all right now?
Oh, thank you, that was so kind. Thank you, thank you. I don't know what I would have done. Thank you so much for your help. You're very welcome. I feel a little embarrassed. I feel a little embarrassed. Next, I walk to the bakery section. The bread smells amazing. The bread smells amazing. Those chocolate donuts look delicious. Those chocolate donuts look delicious. I see a beautiful strawberry cake. I see a beautiful strawberry cake. This cake is so pretty. This cake is so pretty. I take a photo with my phone. I take a photo with my phone. The cream on the cake looks soft. I buy a small slice for myself. I buy a small slice for myself. Then I walk to the snack aisle. Then I walk to the snack aisle. There are colorful chips everywhere. There are colorful chips everywhere.
I see my favorite spicy noodles. I see my favorite spicy noodles.
I put 2 packs into the cart. I put 2 packs into the cart. Suddenly, loud music starts playing. Suddenly, loud music starts playing. I hear a fun dance song. A giant banana mascot appears. A giant banana mascot appears. The banana starts dancing funny. The banana starts dancing funny. I cannot stop laughing. I cannot stop laughing. I can't believe you did that. Some people begin clapping. Some people begin clapping. The supermarket feels lively and fun. The supermarket feels lively and fun. I dance a little too. I dance a little too. My cheeks turn pink. My cheeks turn pink. That was embarrassing. That was embarrassing. I quickly walk away laughing. I quickly walk away laughing. I go to the refrigerator section. I go to the refrigerator section. Cold air touches my face. Cold air touches my face. Brr, it is freezing here. Brr, it is freezing here. I take some milk. I take some milk and orange juice. The juice bottles are colorful. The juice bottles are colorful. I close the fridge carefully. I close the fridge carefully. Then I walk to the home section. Then I walk to the home section. I see many cute cups and plates. I see many cute cups and plates. That pink cup is adorable. That pink cup is adorable. I hold the cup gently. I hold the cup gently. The cup feels smooth and warm. The cup feels smooth and warm. Should I buy this? I wonder.
I put it into my cart anyway. I put it into my cart anyway.
Suddenly, the lights go out. Suddenly, the lights go out. Everything becomes dark. Everything becomes dark. Oh. I look around nervously. Oh. I look around nervously. Some people stop moving. Some people stop moving. A little child starts crying nearby. A little child starts crying nearby. Emergency lights slowly turn on. Emergency lights slowly turn on. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. It's okay, I tell myself. It's okay, I tell myself. After a minute, the lights come back. After a minute, the lights come back. I smile with relief. I smile with relief. Next, I visit the ice cream section. Oh, look at these delicious options. I see rainbow ice cream. I see rainbow ice cream. The colors look magical. The colors look magical. This ice cream looks beautiful. I choose strawberry flavor. I choose strawberry flavor. The ice cream feels cold in my hands. The ice cream feels cold in my hands. Finally, I go to the cashier. Finally, I go to the cashier. The cashier smiles at me. The cashier smiles at me.
Did you find everything? Did you find everything?
Yes, I did. I answer happily. Yes, I did. I answer happily. Beep, beep, beep. The scanner sounds funny. Beep, beep. The scanner sounds funny. I pay for all my groceries. I pay for all my groceries. I carry my shopping bags outside. I carry my shopping bags outside. What a fun day at the supermarket. What a fun day at the supermarket.